Hey movers, got a dilemma. I'm not very good with numbers. Somebody tells me, hey, 78 inches. I don't know what that means, unless I get a ruler, unless I do the math. So our moving trailers, this is our Vinos. This moving trailer is 6 foot 6 inches high, or 78 inches. So I thought, how do I show that to our customers, to our movers, who are wondering how tall it is? So, went and picked up a bunch of boxes from a couple different local stores. I thought this would be a good way, because most of the moving boxes are going to be ones you buy. We got Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart. Walmart's the biggest one. So, this one here is a extra large, muy grande, that's what it says on there. You can take this big one. Our next size up is a big one. And we'll go for the Walmart one. So there's the 3 biggest, oh no, still got that one. 4 biggest ones that you can get. Walmart's large. Lowe's is large, Lowe's is extra large, muy grande. Home Depot's large, their large box. And their medium-sized box. So it gives you an idea how high you can go. And how far across you can go. You're gonna get another box. We'll take this one here, go across. That right there is perfect for mattresses, headboards, footboards, all the long stuff that you're going to have. But this just gives you an idea what 78 inches tall does. 6 foot 6, 78 inches. Nope. Yep. With still a few inches to spare, whatever that is there, another foot and a half. So, way to give you a visual of what 78 inches tall from this beam to the floor gives you. 6 foot 6 inches high. That's the inside height of our moving trailer on this Vinos. Our other trailers, they're taller. An extra 6 inches, so they're actually 7 feet high, right in the dead center of it. But didn't know how else to visualize this or make it visual so you can understand what it is. Hopefully that does a good enough job. I think it does. Need a trailer. You're moving soon. Here you go. Perfect solution to a winter move or a move anytime. A fast move. Johnny's Moving Trailers.